Hey guys, this is Epson EcoTank 15,000. This is a multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan, print, and fax with this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to copy document from this printer. Open up the glass scanner and stick the document you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from your right. You will see a white arrow. Then close it. Then select copy from the screen, and from this screen you will see B and W is black. The other side is color, so it's currently highlighted black. If you want to copy this document color, then you select color. The next is one-to-one-sided, so select on it. If you want to copy two-sided, so if you want to copy one to two-sided, then you select one to two-sided. Paper type is portrait. Then you select OK. Select the density by changing it or tapping on it, so you can select the density. You can increase it or decrease it. Then once you've done that, once you select the number, then you select OK. Now the next is for you to select how many copies. If you want to copy this 2, you select 2. If you want to copy it up to 99 or how many numbers, you just need to type on it. So you can type up to 1 to 99, and if you change your mind, you can select clear or cancel. So we want to copy this 1, then select OK. Now you also have advanced setting. If you select advanced setting, it show you paper settings, auto or reduce or enhance. It's currently 100%. Original paper is A4. You scroll down, you can do increase the quality, original orientation, or remove shadow. So you can select all this, and also ID card copy, borderless copy, and or you can also clear all settings. Then you go back. Once you select all the features that you want, then you select copy. So now this document is copying two-sided. Now the next thing to do is place page 2 on the scanner glass and select scan. So you open up the glass scanner and put the second document you want to scan face down. Then close the scanner and select start scanning. Now it's copying the second page. Printing complete. So this document we copied color, double-sided. If you want to copy this document black, you just need to select black. B and W is black. So select copy, and also want to copy this one-sided. Then select OK. Then open up the scanner, put the document you want to copy on the glass scanner, and then you select how many copies. Then you can also go to advanced setting, then select copy. So now this document is copying 1. So this is the document we copied 1, black and white. So to copy with ADF, you stick the document you want to copy on the ADF. Make sure the document is facing up. Then select copy. Then select color or black and white. Then select how many copies. Then want to copy this 1 to one side. Then select OK. Then select copy. printing complete. This is how to copy your document from this printer. It deserves your attention. Thank you.